This is the 262nd Taiku in the Babylonian Talmud. It appears in Tractate Chulin, page 37a. Actually, it starts on the bottom of 36b with the words Elami Seifa. We'll start from there. Chulin 36b, and the Taiku will be on 37a. Elami Seifa, V'abasar l'rabois eitzim levoino. Eitzim levoino b'nei echilo ninu. Elachi basa koidesh. Machshra lehu, meshavya lehu oichel. Ochanami chi basa koidesh machshalton. Rather, the proof is from the latter portion in the verse, and the flesh that touches any impure item shall not be eaten, it shall be burned with fire. And the flesh, every pure person may eat flesh. Leviticus 7:19. The Gemara explains the second mention of the term "and the flesh" in the verse is superfluous and serves to exclude the halacha that with regard to sacred wood and frankincense, impurity disqualifies them from being burned on the altar. Are wood and frankincense edible and therefore included in the verse? Of all food that may be eaten, on which water comes, shall be impure. Leviticus 11:34. Rather, Rabbi Shimon ben Lakish derived from this that regard for sanctity renders them susceptible to ritual impurity and renders their status like that of food. Here too, in the case of a dry portion of flour that was not mixed with the oil of meal offerings, regard for sanctity renders it susceptible to ritual impurity. And now we turn to 37a. The Gemara asks, what is the resolution of the dilemma raised by Rabbi Shimon ben Lakish? Ki mahanya chibas hakodesh l'sula digufe, aval minyana ve'rishon v'sheni la, or dilma lo ishna teku. The Gemara asks, what is the resolution? We're on 37a now. What is the resolution of the dilemma raised by Rabbi Shimon ben Lakish when regard for sanctity is effective in rendering an item susceptible to impurity? Is it only to disqualify that item itself, but to count the descending levels of first degree impurity and second degree impurity it is not effective? Or perhaps, once it is rendered susceptible to impurity, there is no difference whether it is rendered susceptible by means of regard for sanctity or by means of contact with liquids. The Gemara answers, the dilemma shall stand unresolved. Taiku, this is the 262nd Taiku in the Babylonian Talmud.